Hello beautiful family people, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your special girl BJ. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step video on how to plant ugu seed, pumpkin seed. Okay, there are different ways to plant it. If you don't have a farm, you can make use of tire, you can make use of your cement bag, you can make use of your sack bag. Okay, even if you're living in town, you can still plant your ugu seed. This year things are very difficult, so therefore no grief for anybody. Okay, make sure you have your own vegetable at the comfort of your zone. Okay, so guys, here we are. This is our ugu pod. So we'll go ahead to open up the pod and bring out the seed inside. Okay, when you open up the vegetable pod, just look at the way it will look like. Just this way, you bring out the seed inside. Bring out the seed and allow it to set under the sun. Just allow the seed to dry up for 1 day or maybe 4 hours or 5 hours. But personally, I will just allow it to stay under the sun for a day before I start. So guys, here we are. I was not able to record everything, but this is the seed that we're going to be planting. Okay, ugu seed, or you can call it pumpkin seed. If you don't have this, you can buy this from your local market for people that are residing in maybe in the village or in the local places. I don't know. Even if you're not living in the village, you can as well plant this. I learned some people normally plant this inside sack bag. So guys, here we are. So when you bring the ugu seed, just look at it very well. There is a place that looks as if it has pin. The place that has pin, that is the place you're going to plant. Okay, so we're going to continue this process until we are done. What I'm going to plant in the whole of this place is my ugu seed. I want to have enough vegetable this year. I don't want to be buying vegetable in the market. Okay, so if you are watching this video, better go and look for an empty bucket, or if you have a small garden where you live, go and buy ugu seed and start your own planting. Because this year, if you are in Nigeria, you should know what I mean. This year, no grief for anybody. In fact, things are very difficult. So let's reduce the way we buy things in the market. If there are ones that we can do for ourselves at home, we'll just do it and save some cost. Okay. So guys, as you can see, we are done with the planting and we are waiting patiently for the germination. Okay, every morning I normally go there with water and sprinkle enough water there. I do it every morning and every evening because during the time I planted this ugu leaf, rain have not started, so I normally go there with water morning and evening time so that the germination will be very fast. I did not take note of the days it took this ugu before it started germinating. So if you know how many days it takes ugu to start germinating, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is what I do on a daily basis for this ugu leaf. If I show you the way this ugu plantation is looking, you'll be amused and you'll be surprised how far we have gone. Okay.
Shopping and
So guys, once you notice that the germination have started, you have to go and get some bamboo stick or some long stick to add to the vegetable so that it will help the growth. I was not able to record that part, but you can see I added some sticks so that it will help the ugu leaf to grow up very well. So guys, this is the current look of the vegetable plantation. You can see that is doing well. Remember, I tell you, I always come here every morning and every evening to spread water on it so that everything will be good. You can see that we are already eating from this vegetable. It is doing well. So this is the end production of the ugu plantation. So this is the end product. This, you can see what we have here. This is what it looks like. Vegetable is doing so well. I also have some water leaf planted here. You can see the water leaf. So this is the final look. This is the way it is looking right now, and we are already eating from the vegetable. Okay, so if you have watched this video to this point, I really do appreciate you, and remember to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.